Let me tell you exactly how I'm approaching silver, my personal strategy, because if you believe silver is going higher long term, the real question becomes how you build a position without getting shaked out. And honestly, that's a big thing. What's up, guys? Dennis here. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing so it's on record. And I'm around silver every single day. I run a sterling silver jewelry business, and I see the demand, the psychology behind the scenes on the real world, not just on a chart and not just in a YouTube video. A lot of people talk about silver when it's already moving, but it gets boring. That's when most people quit. So if you want to survive something volatile, you need a plan you can actually stick to. Here's how I see the bigger story. I believe the gold to silver ratio can compress hard, even towards 1 to 10 long term. I believe more people are going to want the physical silver simply because it's just a physical asset you can hold. I believe supply is going to tighten over time. And price wise, again, not advice, just my conviction. I can see 300 silver, $700 silver, and even higher long term. I don't know the exact time frame, but if you ask me for my personal guess, I would say 1 to 5 years. But again, that's just my guess. So here is what I'm actually doing. I'm buying at many different price points. And realistically, I'm not sitting around waiting for the perfect number, the perfect price. I'm building a position based on where I believe silver is going. And I'm patient. I can wait, and I'm not day trading silver at all. Now, don't get me wrong, flipping, day trading sounds cool until you deal with the physical metal itself. Silver is heavy, it's real, it takes effort. Buying and selling constantly is work between the handling, the verifying, the premiums, the time, and so on. And so, my approach isn't built for quick flips, it's built for conviction and patience. So, here it is, guys. My strategy is built around one word: conviction, because silver will test you. It will pump, it will dump, it will go sideways, and it will make you feel stupid for just believing in it, honestly. So I don't try to be perfect, I just try to be consistent with it. That's it. First, I'm not buying silver as a quick flip. Like I said, I'm buying it like a long-term position. That means I don't need the exact bottom. I want exposure to what I believe is coming in 1 to 5 years. Again, my personal conviction. And secondly, I build in phases. I don't go all in at one price and then sit there stressed. I rather add over time, especially on pullbacks, because it keeps my emotions steady. If silver dips, I'm not scared, I'm prepared. If silver runs, I'm not chasing because I already have a really good position. And third, I don't overextend myself. Silver is volatile, and that's the reality. So I don't put myself in a position or a spot where pullbacks force me to sell. I've been there, I've done that. So the biggest mistake people make is that they buy with money they can't leave alone. Then the dip turns into fear, and then fear turns into selling, and they exit right before the move or before the price even goes up. And fourth, I'm not even making my decisions based off charts or graphs or videos I see. I hear one person say this, another person say that. So I just try to cancel all the noise. And if I do hear someone I consider genuine in the industry, I do listen. Then I analyze what they're saying for myself, because you can't borrow conviction. You have to build it. And as an average person, it's nearly impossible to see every angle in the market. There's bottlenecks everywhere. So just because a local mom and pop shop that sells and buys precious metals slows down on buying physical metal, that doesn't mean the whole silver industry, the whole market is that story. Everyone has their own capacity. Every business has different cash flow, different suppliers, and different customer base. And that's why I don't build based off just a few social media clips or this person said that person said this. It's all based off my personal conviction and what I see coming. And I think this is very important to share with you guys. I think in ratios, because most people stare at the dollar price, at the spot price, and they get emotional. But one of the things I personally watch is just the gold to silver ratio. And again, my personal conviction is that it's going to tighten and compress. Now, I'm going to make a separate YouTube video on this, and I think this is big. One of the things I believe is coming over time, and not advice, just conviction again, I believe there's going to be a future where selling silver bullion is going to be so accessible. You walk into your local commercial bank, your bank institution, and you just sell it to them, and they'll be able to just put those funds right into your account, just like if you had $5 and you deposit it in there, you'll be able to bring in bullion. That's just my personal conviction. But again, I'm going to be making a video separately just on that. Now, I was talking about 3-digit silver years ago, but I didn't document it the way I should have. The last time I can point to it on record was on an interview I did in September 8, 2022, where I mentioned 3-digit silver. So now I'm doing it the right way on camera, in public, and just really for accountability and just for myself. So there you have it, guys. That's my personal strategy and conviction based on buying silver bullion, buying at many different price points, patient and not day trading, canceling the noise, and just thinking long term overall. So guys, leave a comment below and tell me, what do you guys think? Do you guys have a strategy, or are you just reacting to the spot price? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.